Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and in this guide I'm going to show you how to edit your title for SEO and your H1, which is the first and main title for the page, together. What exactly is H1 or the title? Let's see for an existing posts or pages how it looks like. So this is the title of the page. Now, if I go to edit and view, I can show you exactly that what is written here is also what is written here on the title tag, which is the HTML tag. Now, if I search in inspect element, the term title, as you can see, this is the HTML tag title. If I search on Google this exact title and with the name of the website, so I can see the page that was indexed in Google, I can see exactly that this title is being used by Google search. So what details Google takes is written here or on Yoast SEO right down here, which here I can determine the SEO title that takes the variables from what I've written here, and this will also be shown on the Google search. And on the exact page with Elementor, which here as you can see in inspect element, I can show you that this HTML tag is H1, which is the main title of the page, and this took the details that I put here on the title, which is the exact title that is being displayed on Google search, which is depends on the template or the theme that you can edit the post template with Elementor or without on the customized theme that you can make the changes right there. Yes, so it's very easy to edit your title and your H1 title on the page. If you have any more questions, you can write them on the comments below and I will comment. And on the first comment, I'm putting the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment, and share, and good luck.